sections of the wheel. I can't get it fixed, but I think it's fifth. I'm losing overall control. We'll turn the base, check.
Ever since we first set out to challenge what was possible within the freeform fabrication industry and to question its foundation, Arcam's vision has remained the same: to revolutionize the art of manufacturing complex parts. Arcam is the brainchild of a group of dedicated scientists who, in 1997, set out on a quest to create a technology for the direct manufacturing of fully dense parts from metal powder. Freeform fabrication as never before. Today, you'll find Arcam's unique technology and services on 3 continents around the globe, creating unique, complex parts for its clients on a daily basis. The company is publicly listed on the Nordic growth market at the Stockholm Stock Exchange, and its head office is located in Gothenburg, Sweden. You'll also find Arcam offices and representation in, among others, the US, Germany, the UK, Italy, Japan, and South Korea. The Arcam EBM machines are assembled at Arcam and installed on site under the careful supervision and testing of the Arcam engineering staff. Each machine that leaves Arcam undergoes extensive testing to guarantee compliance with Arcam's quality standards. The Arcam technology is based on electron beam melting, EBM, and parts are manufactured by melting metal powder and building up the parts layer by layer. This unique technology is the result of intensive research and development and has a wide range of applications within direct manufacturing and rapid prototyping. Arcam EBM technology is used for the manufacturing of medical implants and a range of products for the aerospace and automotive industries.
Freeform fabrication with the Arcam technology as a prime example provides a totally new tool to design the macro and the micro architecture of implants.
Arcam's CAD-to-metal technology provides fully dense metal with material characteristics identical to the target metals used. Arcam offers a complete portfolio of equipment, software, metal powder, service and training to support our CAD-to-metal technology.
What Arcam does with the titanium we found to be very different than other companies in that they were making functional parts. They weren't just sintered parts, they were fully melted. Aside from the customers at NASA who have purchased parts, we've spoken with another group over there that is looking at rapid fabrication technologies and how suitable they were for use in like a moon base.
Let's see what happened with a broken part from our racing car. The unique part for the car is now being built inside the EBM chamber from its original CAD file. The part is built in solid titanium and will be ready for use by the second qualifying race tomorrow. Let's have a closer look behind the doors of the unique technology that made it possible. The Arcam EBM process can be divided into 5 steps. The first step is to make a 3-dimensional computer model of the part you want to build. The model can be designed in a CAD program, but it can also be created directly from a CT scan of a patient in need of a medical implant. The 3-dimensional computer model is then converted into a large number of very thin 2-dimensional slices, and it is the data in these slices that the EBM machine uses as a pattern when it builds the parts. The file with the slices is transferred to the EBM machine's computer, and a thin layer of metal powder is applied on the building table inside the building chamber. The machine's electron beam traces the pattern in the first of the 2-dimensional slices, and when the high energy in the beam hits the powder, it melts it accordingly. When the first layer is completed, a new layer of metal powder is applied on top of it. The electron beam traces the slice data and melts the second layer. A new layer of metal powder is then applied to it, and so on. This process continues until all the slices have been melted and the parts have been built. These functional parts are then taken out of the machine and can be put into operation.
Zero vibrations. The new part is working great. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Please take another spin around the track. Everything is set fair for race tomorrow. Check.
The number of companies that benefit from the Arcam EBM technology is rapidly increasing. And every day, new products inspired both by our own creativity and our customers' demands see the light of day. One of the fastest growing markets for the company is the medical implant industry. Arcam's high standard metallurgical properties, combined with the freedom of using materials such as titanium and cobalt chrome, has enabled an industry driven by the unique design of its end user, the human body. The unique position of the Arcam EBM is not its patented process, its unique material properties, nor even the skilled and dedicated people working to revolutionize the art of manufacturing complex parts. It is the simple fact that it is a technology available at the push of a button today, ready to be used and used again, only limited by the imagination of its user. Welcome to the complex shapes and wonders of the Arcam EBM technology.